Okay, so I had a person contact me through YouTube. Said that they had just got the mower, but the mulch plug wasn't working. Okay, so mine's been used a bunch, so I gotta get rid of some grass. Like I've showed people, I've been using it for all kinds of purposes. Okay, make sure that little square hole's clear. Checking the sides. Okay, so this is your mulch plug. This side goes into the mower and the blade will travel through here. It's got a tag here telling you to make sure to insert it and make sure that the hook is properly attached. Like I said, never use the mulch plug. Don't really do the whole assembly thing normally, but people have been getting on to me because they don't understand that I was trying to abuse this thing and see what kind of stress this mower could take. So there's a couple tabs right here, tab holes, and there's a couple tabs right here on the mower. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to angle this in. And kind of give it a wiggle. Or a twist or something here. So mine's a little difficult, but we're going to play with it here. We'll see what we get. And again, mine's difficult. Now, so this is what the comment was about, that they had tried the mulch plug, they were having problems. There is also a locking tab right here. Now, after you get this mulch plug in, that means you're going to have to get your finger through that hole from the other side to get this mulch plug back out. Now, that may keep it in there, but it also makes it a pain. And as you can see from my attempts, this is not easy. So, I'm that far, and now we know what the deal is. I'm trying to show the video here. And I'm going to reposition so I can see a little more, baby, what you should be seeing. Okay. It's not easy. And the handle needs to be down that hole, right? Okay. So I even had to beat it in there. Now, that was clean. I cleaned out the hole. This thing is incredibly difficult to get in. So if you are having trouble getting the mulch plug in, you really need to work at getting the mulch plug in with a little force. Keep in mind, once it's in, it's going to be a pain to get back out. So let's try this process. It come out a little easier than I thought. So now that it's been in, we can try put it back in. And I'm seeing that there was a little bit of grass, but if the person that commented hadn't used it, then theirs wouldn't matter. But it scraped out some grass in the process, so that might have been why mine was difficult. So let's try this again. Grass that I didn't realize was there. So nope, there's a point where it just gets tight and it's not sliding in easily. Then you got the handle. Of course, I've got a hack up there, so I can't just slide it in like I did. Okay. And still, it doesn't quite line up the way that it should. and I have to beat it in place. It just is what it is. It's a little tight. So, it's in. That's how it goes in. Hope you enjoyed the video.